Hey there, everyone. Today is July 2, and for our daily devotion, our topic is entitled Discover Your God Given Mission. Our verse is Job 14:5. A person's days are determined. You have decreed the number of his month and have set limit he cannot succeed. Sa simula pa itinakda na ang kanyang araw at bilang na rin ang kanyang mga buwan. Nilagyan mo na siya ng hangganan na hindi niya kayang lampasan. For our teaching, God ordained the number of our days. Means that there is always a limitation in our life, and God predicted, or God foresee the number of days that left in our life. God set a limit we cannot exceed. There is a limit where we can live. Therefore, we must uh, use that carefully and according to His wish. God desires a life for us worth living. He desires for us to live our life to the fullest, all according to His will. For our application, for our revision, craft a long-term life plan. We must start planning our own life starting from now, where we can see what will happen in the next few months and years. Have a today plan so that we will know what will happen today and what are we gonna do today, so our time will not be worthless. Commit your God-given mission. We must commit to the mission that we are entrusted to, or that we wanted to do, all according to His plan, all according to what we believe and what He believes.